Hello everyone, today I will show you how to find text box option in Google Docs. First open your Google Docs file. Now here you will find this insert option, select and select your drawing option and select new. Finally you will find this text box icon, select and draw a text box and select here do not auto fit. Now draw a text box as you like. Also you can change text box line white and fill color and double click on this text box and type text. Yeah. Now finally select save and close. Yeah, this is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.